So as we're walking out, start sprinkling. Hear more thunder in the background. Figure better safe than sorry. So we're gonna put some M-Lok rails on the side and wait until the storm passes and go shoot. Also give a second for my muzzle brake to dry a little bit more anyway, so I'm okay with it. But I was geared up in quick fly apparel, ready to go. So now I'm gonna show you how to put an M-Lok rail on the KS7 here. I had this rail put on, which fell off when I was shooting after fell off. So I'm going to switch it up and put a longer rail. It's gonna have 3 screws on it because the shotgun is so powerful. I'm afraid it's just gonna blow this one off again. So we're gonna try to switch it up and do something a little bit different. It's gonna come with these screws and this end piece, and you're going to put the screws in here. And you screw this on here. And you just wanna do like 2 turns because you want it nice and loose, right? So that it fits into the grooves here, okay? And then you want to give a slight turn. See how it's turning? You want it so it catches right there. The key is to pull up while you're screwing it down. And so now, get this middle screw. See how it's turned right there? So I'm actually gonna hold this up and screw down at the same time. Okay, that's feeling pretty good. Because there's so much power, I just really wanna make sure that these screws are in place and holding on. I don't think that's gonna be an issue with coming off. You can see that this is the previous one that I had. Because it was so short, I am afraid that maybe that was the issue. Also, again, I didn't have the muzzle at the end to reduce the recoil. Seems like the theme of the day is anything that can go wrong will go wrong, just like Murphy's Law. Preferably, I like my ammo to go down so I can push it out and it's easier for me to reload. But as you can see, there's no way I'm going to, oh, that's really tight too. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this out. The first 2 and the last one seem to be fine. These 2 middle ones are tight. Again, because this does hold 7 rounds, typically this is not needed. It's more of a luxury that I have on just to, you know, accent the features of the gun. I've always had one on my other shotgun, so I do like the way that it looks. Also, the availability of having more rounds. However, that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to have to flip it the other way. I personally would not recommend spending $40 on this piece, but hopefully when I shoot it, it'll actually stay on this time, putting on the longer rail. And I don't know, maybe I'll test it out to see how it is to reload with them facing the opposite way, because it's just easier to push it down, reload, push down, reload. Pushing up just seems like a unnecessary movement that's going to take a lot longer. But I am dying to test this out.